If you are a small business owner and want to save on small business insurance, then I want you to stick around till the end of today's conversation. You will love it. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous. If you were to ask me, if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today's conversation will focus on a single topic. What are the top 10 cheapest small business insurance providers out there right now? It's very important because for a small business, finding cheap insurance is possible. But you got to take a systematic approach. You got to determine what suits your company's risk needs. You need to have an idea of realistic pricing. Then you need to find out who the top carriers are in your area. You also need to learn what exclusions there are with cheap business insurance so that you aren't left with an uncovered claim. This is very important because we're talking about your business. We're talking about risk management here. So you need to understand how cheap business insurance works. So if you are a small business owner, of course, you got to be penny wise. You got to save cash. It's important, but do not skimp on necessary coverage for small business insurance just to save a few dollars a month. And I want you to really also pay attention to the fact that cheap business insurance is not the same as affordable business insurance, because there are differences that I'm going to go through very quickly here, because the difference between cheap and affordable could be coverage limits, location of claims, and exclusions. So are you covered, for example, for acts of, say, terrorism, cyber exposure, pollution, or punitive damages? And you also need to determine your business insurance needs. I want you to look right now on the screen, and we've done a little short table for you here, and I'm showing you right now the types of cheap small business insurance. You got to look at your business to kind of find out what the most common risks are. Most businesses must cover incidents where people accidentally get hurt at the business, for example, property is accidentally damaged, or there are other claims like slander, all of which may make general liability insurance a key coverage. Other policies cover employers when employees get hurt at work, paying medical and payroll costs. So take a look right now and look at the screen here. So you have the insurance type, the commercial general liability, workers' compensation, commercial auto, business property, errors and omission, umbrella insurance, and business interruption. So this table kind of tells you the insurance type and what it does. I'm going to leave it on the screen for a few seconds so that you can just get the gist of it. You can even take a screenshot of it and really save it for later use. It is very important to understand all the different types of small business insurance. So once you have that, you need to determine how much general liability insurance is needed. You also need to determine the amount of business property insurance. You also need to establish other business risks to cover. Again, all this relates to your particular business. If you know your business very well, then you know the risks that are inherent in the companies. You also need to estimate. There are a lot of tools out there on the internet that allow you to estimate small business insurance. You got to think about things like general liability, professional liability, workers' comp, commercial auto. You also need to research the best small business insurance companies. And there are a few factors that we have used ourselves in our analysis to choose the best of the best. So you got to look at financial strength, experience in the industry, claims processing, policy exclusions, and added fees. You also need to learn a little bit about the exclusions. What are the insurance policy exclusions? You need to add coverage if needed. It really depends upon you. And make sure that you are also preparing your business for non-covered claims, because when this happens, this could really create a dent in your budget. But if you are prepared, then it's pretty cool. One thing that I want to say here is that you need to constantly be comparing what you're paying right now versus what your competitors are paying. All right, and the best way to do this is to constantly rearrange the risks that are covered, your exclusions, and your deductible. All right, before I get into the ranking here, please pay attention to this short video. This is our insurance evaluation approach video. We actually explain here our methodology. We do have a rigorous approach when it comes to categorizing, reviewing, and listing small business insurance providers. Check this out right now. All right, let's just get right into it. Number 10, Simply Business. Our score, 8.5 over 10. This is best overall for small business insurance, and because the company offers a comprehensive suite of business insurance that specializes in one main thing: protecting the business you work hard to build. So whether you're looking for construction workers insurance or insurance for your startup, Simply Business helps you find the right coverage at the right price. And they take care of a variety of customers, and they can easily help you find the coverage that is unique for your business. And all you got to do is just go on the website. We have the link on the screen right now. You tell Simply Business a little bit about your business, and you'll get almost instantaneous affordable quotes from top insurance providers. And you just need to pick the coverage you need, and that's all you need to do. Number 9, CoverHound. And our score, 9 over 10. And this is best for a business that wants to shop multiple quotes from top carriers. This is a platform. Actually, this is not a direct insurer. So CoverHound is kind of cool. CoverHound or CoverHound, I really don't know how to pronounce this, but I think it's CoverHound. And this is a platform that we love because it's very simple. They have a reliable interface. It's innovative, and with you're able to get instant, accurate rates with easy online access. And the cool thing here is that you're able to constantly access a customer representative if you have questions. What we love here with the CoverHound is that they add transparency to the insurance industry, and they offer accurate rates and a curated list of the best options for both your personal and business insurance needs. And we love the fact that their advisors, their insurance advisors, are not compensated based on the service, based on the business they bring, but based on the service. So it's not about having a sale commission whereby their goal is just to make a sale, but they really are interested in serving the customers. And the cool thing here is that they charge the insurance company, so they don't charge you. All right, so it is a free platform. You can use it, and the insurance carriers will pay CoverHound a commission based on policy sales and renewals. Number 8, we have Nationwide, and our score, 9 over 10. And Nationwide is kind of cool for building policies that make sense for small business owners without extras. And we love the fact that they have a few, everybody knows Nationwide. They are a leader in property and casualty insurance across the country. They offer excellent contractors, equipment protection, along with a full array of business insurance policies. And the company has received superior and excellent ratings consistently from credit rating agencies, giving customers the confidence that Nationwide will deliver on its promise to make them whole when a loss occurs. This is very important before choosing a small business insurance provider. You want to make sure that the provider has is financially strong. What are the pros and cons here? For Nationwide, the pros, you have online payment and policy management available, online claim reporting available. They have coverage in more than 15 industries, including agribusiness. They have a wide range of safety resources and discounted service from their partners, and they have an A+ rating from A&M Best. And the Nationwide cons, online application often directs applicants to call to complete, and there is no online chat in application. Number 7, Farmers Insurance. Our score 9.5 over 10. And Farmers Insurance is great for explaining coverage and options to business owners to make informed decisions. So you have the educational aspect here. That's very, very cool. And the Farmers is known as one of the largest home insurers in the nation. So commercial real estate owners, such as owners of office buildings, apartments, or storage facilities, can get comprehensive commercial property coverage with Farmers. If you are a small business, if you have a small business out there, you can also get great coverage from Farmers. What are the pros and cons here? Pros: commercial property coverage in a BOP or standalone policy, online claim reporting, industry-specific coverage to 13 industries, no online chat in application. What are the cons here? The no online chat in application, that's a con, that's a drawback here. No pricing information available, and you must call to complete policy purchase. Number 6, Progressive Commercial. Our score 9.5 over 10. Progressive is kind of great for protecting commercial vehicles and bundling policies to reduce cost. So, of course, everybody knows Progressive Insurance. They're well known throughout the United States, and they have an excellent reputation for providing comprehensive coverage at competitive prices to small business owners. And Progressive's boat insurance policy, professional liability policy are great examples of the type of affordable coverage the company provides, right? And they have several attractive discounts for business owners, including a decreasing deductible. So the cool thing here is that with Progressive, again, you are talking to a national player who has a strong financial heft, and who can pay a loss, who can actually cover any type of loss. So that's kind of cool. Progressive Commercial. Number 5, we have State Farm. Our score 9.5 over 10. And State Farm is best for maintaining a hands-on approach in risk and claim management. So State Farm, again, here we're talking about the biggies of the industry here, folks, right? So State Farm is another large, well-known insurer that offers a suite of small business insurance policies for established businesses, but also for startups. So the company distributes its products through a network of nearly 20,000 agents who can help you identify risk and purchase the appropriate policies, including BOP, professional liability, and individual health coverage. And State Farm is actually a great choice for a small business that needs commercial vehicles for business operations, for example. So if you have, let's say, if you are in the floral delivery industry, or you are in residential moving, or you are a real estate agent, you may have additional exposure on the road. And State Farm, with its commercial auto insurance, can actually help you do that. And one thing that we also love while researching this company is that each agent is a local small business owner who understands the importance of risk management from both sides of the desk. So you can rely on their expertise, on their advice. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another session of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are still having a conversation today about the top 10 cheapest small business insurance. Number 4, we have AP Intego. Our score 9.5 over 10. And this provider is best for pricing strategies for small business with small office teams. So they are actually the company likes to build themselves as the leading digital insurance agency for small businesses and one of the fastest growing insurtech companies. You know, you heard the term fintech companies. Now you have the other term insurtech companies. So for the last, I would say, nearly 10 years, since 2013, so for the last 8 years, AP Intego has been able to apply tech innovation to the traditional insurance agency experience to deliver amazing customer service. And what we love here is that they connect their agents to their carrier and affinity partners, what they call affinity partners. So online customer dashboard enables the small businesses to purchase and manage their policies in one place. And we love the fact that the dashboard is flexible, is user friendly. It has integrated billing, including the industry's most advanced and seamless pay-as-you-go workers' comp technology. And the world-class sales and service agents are there to help you actually have a great experience. Number 3, insurance 321. Our score 10 over 10. And this is best for shopping policies among top carriers, saving owners time. So again, this is a platform. So Insurance 321 is an online business insurance market with many options for medical sector professionals. So you have nurses, you have doctors, you have and they also cater to small businesses in general. And the cool thing here is that the company will connect small business owners and medical professionals with insurance companies, agents, and brokers that can handle their professional liability insurance needs, right? And Insurance 321 has an easy application process that will link customers with a specialized representatives. So all you have to do is just fill out a Brave form online, and an Insurance 321 representatives will call to gather more details and connect you with the best provider for your needs. And what we love here is that it's just the speed of the service. Fantastic. Number 2, we have Hiscox, and our score 10 over 10. And Hiscox is great for helping independent contractors who don't lease office or retail space. And what are the pros and cons here? First of all, let's just say that Hiscox is a specialty small business insurance company catering to the needs of new businesses like independent contractors with less than 5 employees. Last year, they have raised the number to 10. So if you have less than 10 employees, you can still use Hiscox. And the company uses technology and policy bundles to benefit micro businesses that large insurers often avoid. And what are the pros and cons? Let's just dig a little deeper here. What are the pros here? They focus on sole proprietorships and micro businesses. Again, micro businesses here, I'm talking about companies that have less than 5 to 10 employees. You have discounts for multiple policies and home-based businesses. You have an easy online application for accurate quotes in 9 industries and 70 plus professions. And you have flexible payment options, and they have an A rating from A&M Best. What are the cons of Hiscox? Commercial auto, workers' compensation, and employment practices liability only available through partnerships, and there is no online chat in application. And if you live in Hawaii or work in Hawaii, you can't benefit from their coverage because their coverage is not available in that state. Number 1, folks, when it comes to the cheapest small business insurance, hands down, CoverWallet. Our score 10 over 10. And CoverWallet stands out. This company is best for low-cost policies for businesses needing quick coverage. And the company stands out among business insurance brokers for business owners who are not sure what type of coverage they need. So CoverWallet has an easy, user-friendly assessment tool that helps you determine the type of coverage you need and why. And the company's carrier partnerships boast a wide appetite, insuring businesses in many industries and niches that can help you get the coverage you need. What are the pros and cons here? The pros, CoverWallet pros. So online quotes from more than 12 top-rated carriers. Online quotes for 51 professions in 24 industries. You have basic pricing information for some policies. You can buy coverage on the internet, and you have online policy management. What are the cons? There's no online claim management process. Chat or advisors are not available 24/7, and they charge a broker fee in some cases. All right, I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Okay, folks, this is it for today's conversation. I was just talking to you about the top 10 cheapest small business insurance policies, and want to quickly recap what we talked about today. I really appreciated your attention so far. Number one, we have here CoverWallet, 10/10. Number two, Hiscox, 10/10. Number three, Insurance 321, 10/10. Number four, AP Intego, 9.5/10. Number five, State Farm, 9.5/10. Number six, Progressive Commercial, 9.5/10. Number seven, Farmers Insurance, 9.5/10. Number eight, Nationwide, 9/10. Number nine, CoverHound, 9/10. And number 10, Simply Business, 8.5/10. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.